Yo guys, I'm back. It's been a long time, I know. School's been a real bad thing for me recently, and that's why I've just had a load of time off. But we're gonna be going with Complex Doom. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try and give you a accurate review of it. I really like the game personally. I think it's a lovely mod. Adds a load of challenge and that. So yeah, we're gonna be playing a few levels of it and yeah. So sorry if these videos are also quite short. I can only go up to 15 minutes of footage. But yeah, I am gonna be back. If this video goes online, videos will be coming shortly. We're going to be playing on Ultra Violence mode on Doom 2. Okay. That's an okay start. Because this is a randomizer mod. So, it won't always be fair. Damn it, there's one of them strong guys. In my eyes, that guy's a really strong guy. And this mod does add a lot of challenge to Doom. Also, hit me up in the comments below if you know me in person or anything, or you just want to say hi or anything. I'm happy for that. I'm about to die here. Yeah, I haven't played Doom in a long time, like a few days. But it doesn't mean I've forgotten how to play. Far from that. Damn it, I'm out of ammo. Well, I'm dead now. Damn it. Okay. Now that just shows this mod has got some challenge to it. I'm playing on one of the harder modes, so honestly, I can't say it's an easy mod because I'm not that good at the game. Is this gun got any alt fire? I can't remember if guns have alternate fires. It feels weird being back on YouTube again. But it puts me in my comfort zone. It puts me somewhere which I can enjoy myself and just calm down and that. Some videos generally will be quite hyped for stuff like fun mods that are coming up. I'm not going to tell you. Damn it, it's one of these guys. I hate him. Pretty hard when you don't have a shotgun yet. So, if anyone knows about Doom, hit me up if you've ever played it as well. Because I really like Doom. Personally, it's a game I really like. I don't really like playing it without mods. I've said that ever since I've got it on PC edition. Yeah. Really fun mod. Yeah, I'm struggling. Don't know what to say. Struggling. However, I have actually got like a proper game save. I don't just go on a save and like die and then just turn it off. I genuinely played it like 40 times on like a level on that. Yeah. So just to clarify, I'm back as well. I know I've said that a lot. I know I'm saying a load of stuff a lot. I'm not used to being on YouTube. Yeah. So I don't know what to say. I haven't got like any. I have not pre-recorded. This is just me going into it for the first time in a while. So, also if it's too loud, just tell me in the comments. And yeah, I'll try and do that. I'm really low on health. Luckily, I can do that. I forgot how low my health bar really is. Like that. I need to redo the settings in a second. Damn it! We're gonna give it one more try. And then that's gonna be the end of the video. I'll talk about the mod a bit more. So, I'm gonna kill this guy first, kill him. I'm actually gonna wait here for a second. Really, it's quite an exhilarating mod. It gets your heart beating as I almost die. Why is it really getting laggy? Whoa. Come on, computer. I know I'm recording a video and it's quite laggy on a video. Wow, this is really fast. Okay, finally. Oh no. I thought my computer was coming back from the dead. Okay, guys. I'm gonna stop recording for a second. Start playing a little bit, and then I'll turn the recorder back on when it starts working again. Okay, I'm back. No, I'm probably not because my computer is lagging again. Okay, my computer's really starting to piss me off now. I know that I'm only 12, but I don't care about swearing, to be honest. I didn't really think for this to be a child-friendly channel. But yeah. Because if it's got blood like this, it is obviously not child-friendly. Finally, my computer's starting to live. I actually want to try this time. Nah, I'm not gonna make it. Come on. Reload. Flipping hell. I'm just equipping a few things. Where did he go from? Anyway, about this mod. It's a really good mod. I totally say you guys should search it up. Complex Doom. Go onto the thing, download it, have a blast. I don't recommend going on the harder difficulty. I just want it to be a bit ballsy, to be honest. Generally, I don't care what difficulty it is, it's always fun. Even if I use cheats. If I use Russian Overkill, well, you can't even do that. There's actually a mod I'm going to be doing later. Maybe not today, or when this video bloody comes out. But yeah, it will be coming out soon. Just saying. So keep checking the channel. There'll be at least a video every. There'll be at least 3 videos a week. I don't know when they're gonna come out, but they'll come out. But that's minimum. Maximum, there's gonna be about 30 a week. If my computer even has bloody space to do it. But yeah, I remember I loved doing YouTube. I also promised to some of my mates at school that I'm going to start uploading again. Yeah. that's it, guys. So see you in the next banger.